morning and welcome to Wardrobe Wednesday. My name is Heidi Gammill. I am the author of the Nest Pretty Lifestyle Guide. You can find it on Amazon. It's all about making small choices every day that add up to a beautiful life. So I have removed everything from my closet, and let me tell you, it wasn't much. I have it all in my bed, and it's not really that big of a pile, and I'm really excited about that. I did that because I'm going to spring clean my closet. And the easiest way to do a very thorough job is just to remove everything. I'm going to vacuum the floor and the baseboard, and then I'm going to wipe everything down. What a great way to start springtime with a very clean closet. Closets are very dirty. They're so dusty. They're full of our dead skin cells and who knows what else. And so I highly recommend, if you're going to spring clean your closet, remove everything. Wipe everything down and then put it back. Now, when I put it back, there's going to be some vicious editing taking place. I've been using a 10-piece wardrobe for this season, and you know what I have realized? Oh my goodness. I had 2 pairs of jeans hanging in the closet for the winter time because in Florida, if you're going to wear jeans, it's pretty much going to have to be in the winter time for me. I did not wear them at all. I did not wear them at all. So there's going to be some hard decisions that are going to be made. Ultimately, when you look back at a season, if you're being very intentional about your wardrobe and you're trying to hone your personal style, you're trying to narrow it down so that when you go to get dressed every day, it's a pleasure and not a chore. You pay attention to what you're gravitating towards, and why. And so at the end of this season, I'm going to edit, which is very exciting. If you're not wearing it, why have it in your closet? Another thing I'm going to edit ruthlessly is my belt holder. I have a belt holder, and I haven't touched belts this season or since the pandemic started, for sure. I've been beltless. And I dare say that it may also have to do with the Florida lifestyle as well, which is much more casual than the style in New York. So I might just get rid of all the belts. If you don't wear it, then why hang on to it? Now, another thing I realized as I pulled stuff out, and you probably realize this too, is that if you're not wearing your shoes, guess what? They get dusty. And if they're leather, they may start drying out. So it's a really good opportunity to check the condition of my shoes, do any kind of maintenance that may need to be done, any kind of repairs. I know I have a pair of d.i.n.k clogs that I used to wear every day up in New York. They were a really great support for my body and my body when I was on my feet all day long, but I have not worn them in Florida. They're a little bit too heavy. So I'm here to encourage you, if you want to start your spring cleaning and go for a quick win, pull everything out of your closet, vacuum, and then wipe everything down. And be very intentional about what you put back. You're going to feel really good about it. I promise you. I know that this whole journey of mine, going from a typical wardrobe to a capsule wardrobe to a 10-piece wardrobe, has been mind-blowing for me. It has simplified so much of my morning routine. I don't think about getting dressed at all. Actually, this empty closet is very appealing to me. Don't go crazy, Heidi. So This is Heidi with Nest Pretty, encouraging you, if you're going to start your spring cleaning, go for a quick win and do it in your closet. I love spring. I hope you have a fantastic day. If you haven't read the Nest Pretty Lifestyle Guide, grab it on Amazon. It talks a lot about editing and how freeing it is just to continually look at your life and edit. I know the belts have been hanging there all year, and in my mind I'm like, you are on your way out, belts. I have not touched you. You're on your way. Get ready for it. And still yet, even though I've made the decision a long time ago, it takes me time. You have to go through the process. Now that they are out of my closet and on my bed, it is going to be an easy process to go to the next step, which is donation. I hope you have a fantastic day and go spring clean your closet.